Welcome to the EQAI Morning Briefing for September 3rd. I'm your host, bringing you the top stories you need to know today. Our first story is about a significant profit-taking move on a hot drug stock. Investors are seeing nearly 300% returns, emphasizing the importance of discipline in trading. It's an excellent reminder that sometimes taking profits can be just as crucial as finding the right investment. Speaking of hot stocks, Vaxcyte Inc. saw its shares soar by 33% following positive trial results for its pneumococcal vaccine in adults aged 50 and older. This has certainly caught the eye of investors, making it one of the top movers early this week. On the financial front, Deutsche Bank has downgraded JPMorgan to a hold from buy due to limited upside after a 32% YTD rise. Meanwhile, Wells Fargo and Bank of America received buy ratings, suggesting more growth potential in those stocks. In tech news, Intel's shares are at their cheapest in 30 years. While this might seem like a buy signal, some analysts caution there are easier ways to generate returns, given the company's current challenges. Southwest Airlines is also making headlines with a pre-market rise. Elliott Management has increased its stake, now holding enough to call a special shareholder meeting before their management sit-down on September 9th. Moving to the EV sector, NIO and Li Auto stocks are down after reporting a decrease in August deliveries compared to the previous month. However, their year-over-year growth remains strong. The stock market had a volatile August, surprising many experts. This disparity among Wall Street analysts is not typical and has left investors scratching their heads. In telecom news, Nokia has signed a fiber network deal with AT&T, a significant win after losing out to Ericsson last year. This could be a turning point for Nokia in the U.S. market. Private equity firm Partners Group has reported a 39% drop in performance fees due to a slump in the deals market. This has led to the postponement of several transactions. Big tech continues to limit access to crucial data, raising questions about transparency. Meta platforms and Alphabet have been particularly restrictive, and Congress's stance on this issue remains unclear. As we move into fall, the stock market historically faces increased volatility in September. Investors should brace for potential downturns and heightened market activity. Oil prices have slid due to weak economic data from China, overshadowing supply disruptions in Libya. This continues to add uncertainty to the commodity markets. Halliburton shares dipped slightly after announcing that a recent cyber attack disrupted its business operations. Cybersecurity remains a critical issue for companies in all sectors. Sphere Entertainment stock fell by 3.5% after a downgrade from benchmark. Investors are closely watching this entertainment and media company for further developments. NVIDIA's latest earnings report revealed some weak spots, particularly delays with its new Blackwell chip. This opens opportunities for competitors like AMD to gain market share. On the political front, Trump's economic populism is being scrutinized for its long-term viability. Critics argue that such policies often overlook complex economic and geopolitical realities. September is historically challenging for U.S. stocks. If past trends hold, we could see increased market volatility this month. Pfizer and Valneva have reported positive results in a mid-stage trial for their Lyme disease vaccine. This is promising news for fighting this debilitating disease. A veteran fund manager suggests adopting strategies from meme stock investors, known as apes, to navigate the increasingly inefficient market. In personal finance news, a couple earning $160,000 annually with $2.2 million saved is concerned about their family's financial reliance on them. Despite their success, they feel pressured by their relatives' expectations. Sanergy Group saw its stock price plummet by 98% after Hong Kong's market regulator raised concerns. This drastic drop highlights the importance of regulatory trust in maintaining stock value. Real estate is also in the spotlight, with the Osbornes relisting their Hollywood condo as they plan to move back to the UK. Meanwhile, American tennis stars like Coco Gauff and Naomi Osaka are making waves not just on the court, but also in the real estate market. OpenAI is reportedly in talks to lift its profit cap to attract investments from giants like Apple and NVIDIA. This move could significantly reshape the AI landscape. And finally, on Warren Buffett's 94th birthday, people are sharing his best investing advice. With a net worth of $148 billion, Buffett's insights are always valuable. That's all for today's EQAI Morning Briefing. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on the financial markets and beyond. Thank you for listening.